Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will discuss a post-processor for the Doosan PUMA 3100 ULY, equipped with the Fanuc 32i-A controller, designed for 4-axis lathe and mill turn operations in Mastercam. If you are searching for a Doosan PUMA 3100 post-processor, a Fanuc 32i-A Mastercam post-processor, or a 4-axis mill turn post-processor, then this video is exactly for you. The Doosan PUMA 3100 ULY is a powerful and widely used CNC lathe with Y-axis and live tooling. This machine is commonly used for complex turning operations, milling on turned parts, Y-axis machining, multi-operation mill turn jobs. Because of these advanced capabilities, the machine requires a proper mill turn post-processor, especially when programming using Mastercam. The Fanuc 32i-A is a high-performance CNC controller used in many modern mill turn and multi-axis machines. It supports advanced turning cycles, live tooling, Z-axis control, Y-axis interpolation. To generate correct and safe G-code for Fanuc 32i-A, you must use a post-processor specifically built for this control. A generic lathe post-processor is not sufficient. The Doosan PUMA 3100 ULY is not a simple 2-axis lathe. It is a 4-axis mill turn machine, and that means the post-processor must correctly manage turning operations, milling operations, live tooling, Z-axis indexing, Y-axis movements. Without the correct post-processor, G-code can be incorrect, axis movements can be unsafe, milling operations may not work, the machine may alarm or crash. That is why using a proper Fanuc 32i-A mill turn post-processor for Doosan PUMA 3100 ULY is critical. This post-processor is designed specifically for machine, Doosan PUMA 3100 ULY, controller, Fanuc 32i-A, CAM software, Mastercam, machine type, 4-axis lathe, mill turn. It supports both turning and milling operations in a single program, allowing you to complete complex parts in one setup. This post-processor supports 4-axis machining, including Z-axis indexing, Y-axis milling, cross-drilling, slot milling, face milling with live tools. The post-processor correctly outputs Fanuc 32i-A compatible G-code, ensuring smooth and accurate machine motion. Mill turn support is fully enabled. This means you can perform turning operations, switch to live tooling, run milling toolpaths, combine multiple operations in one program. All operations are handled inside Mastercam using a single post-processor. The post-processor supports Fanuc turning can cycles, drilling and tapping cycles, subprogram output. This post-processor is fully compatible with Mastercam lathe and mill turn workflows. You can create turning toolpaths, add milling operations, synchronize tool movements, post clean and structured G-code. The output is designed for real machine use, not just simulation. This post-processor is ideal for CNC programmers using Mastercam, shops running Doosan PUMA 3100 ULY, Fanuc 32i-A control users, mill turn and Y-axis machining jobs. If you are doing complex lathe or mill turn work, this post-processor is essential. If you need a post-processor for Doosan PUMA 3100 ULY with Fanuc 32i-A, you can contact us anytime, and if you are working with any other CNC machine or controller, feel free to reach out to us as well. We have a large collection of Mastercam post-processors, including post-processors for Fanuc controllers, Siemens controllers, Haas machines, Okuma machines. Our collection covers mill, lathe, mill turn, wire EDM, and router machines, supporting both standard and advanced machining setups. We provide post-processors according to your exact machine configuration and controller requirements, and we also assist with installation to ensure everything works correctly on your machine. To summarize, this is a professional Mastercam post-processor for Doosan PUMA 3100 ULY, designed for the Fanuc 32i-A controller, supporting 4-axis lathe and mill turn operations. Thank you for watching this video. If you need any other machine post-processor, you can contact us directly. We will provide the correct post-processor based on your requirements. Thanks again for watching.